Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, by the title of this video, it names Spend the Night at Candy's house. I spend the night. Right now, I'm spending the night. We're about to get food. You got the shit? You know
me? Hell no, we swing on it already.
We'll go get some food and we'll fall back, we'll play a game and then probably go sleep because it's late in the night. You see me? But we'll go get some food right now. So let's go. Ooh, look at Jade. Ooh, I like this picture of you. When you gonna get what braids?
For November.
It's cool, man. Go put that. Pull over. Go put that up, pull over. It's cool. Go put that up, pull over. I'll send pants. Walk right there from the. And we're here, guys. Mr. I can't even go to the store, yeah. Not me. Yo, Florida cold today. I want to go on.
Like my nails. Nail by Candy. Get into it. Oh, finally, yes. Jesus. Jesus. I just not the right angle. I have to hold up the phone, man. There we go.
Why Florida so cool? Yo, me don't know what I go on if a climate change or what.
Winter, bitch.
Jesus.
Christmas, bitch.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. Whee! So right now we are go back at the crib, beat 2 game, eat some food, and we're gonna call it a night.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Let's get high!
So my girl, right now we reach back at the crib and Candy go play 2 games. I'm gonna beat her wickedly. We want to play Counter-Strike. Game about Counter-Strike, Call of Duty. We have 2 players.
Mortal Kombat. I'll probably leave a patch in your head in the night.
Shape of what? That they want them. Why you don't want to punch out me when me asleep? You're wicked. Already know if you murder your plate. I forgot this is our mirror, you know. You can't see me through this, so I forgot this. Right. So I give my update a little bit before we play. Yo, that must hurt your belly because cheese in there. I'll leave us something in there. Yeah, man, before you not stay up that.
What?
You gotta take it off. What that shrimp and chicken, right?
Yeah. And it's a honey garlic sauce.
No, like still, you know. No, I feel like me that taste it, you know.
Low vibration.
Definitely.
Very. But this is still giving very much royalty.
Royalty.
Yeah. Compared to somebody else plate, that steak and he was trying to give me steak. But I don't just take what anybody just give me on my plate. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I mean.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. What you want? When you want?
Yes. So compared to what he was giving me.
Yes.
This is royalty.
Rich.
Yeah.
Alright. So,
Hold on.
taste it and tell him what it is.
I need a fry. Like, I hate when my fries be cold. So, like, just need to move to the side.
I thought I just say you have to eat that before that get cold.
Well, the shrimp is already jumping away.
So them fries are seasoned too?
Oh my god, that's actually good.
Them one I fought them. Let me try it. No one try it. Shit. After I tell Candy say, never want none.
Very low vibration, but very real.
It's spicy?
No.
Oh. So the pause there for.
You're struggling.
Oh, you want this?
Why is it?
Alright, I'll try the fries first.
Yes.
I'll see how it tastes. Can you know, so man, go back this, sir? Alright, so right now ready for big play a game. When we can't put this out, I go catch it. No, this time. Forgot candy have our stand out, so beat her. I wanna can catch it. Yo, you're lying when I don't believe this. So Candy just beat me in a game. It probably cut off. My phone not charge right now because we don't play the game, and when I don't play the game I find out that my phone dead. We use Candy phone right now. She win the game. You see me? She have played this long time, she know how to play. You see me? Fair and square. We're up and eat, ready to go sleep. It's late in the morning. Alright, so Majai, we see what Majai wants to see how tall it is. Oh, yes, so? Inches, yeah.
One. Sit down.
Wait, not putting head on my finger.
Why?
Hold him head.
Yo, you better not run. Leave him alone.
Why run over me? Can't show me Watch out. In vex, man. Something wrong with you. Him about a good. Me I go say, bet before you Majai.
Stop it.
No, bet before.
16, 17.
No, 2 years done Majai
No.
already. You see it already. Me think him about 15. If I measure him correctly, 15. Me think you see it already, you know, that's why you ball out there. And in tail curl, so it's straight out in tail.
Not even, he's 19.
Damn, 19.
18, 19. You a big
Damn.
boy. Yes!
How much I think him probably weigh? The one I did have before bigger than him?
She was, no, she's big.
You my biggest?
Mm-hmm. He's here for a year already.
And him soon breed?
No.
I think yesterday I have baby on their
The
own.
girls have
Oh, sorry. I thinking unisex. You just look weird in your hand. What's that?
I am the king of the castle, the king of the castle.
You want again?
I am the king of the castle, the king of the castle.
No, you want
Awa?
Yeah, like what species?
He's
what
a bearded
type of lizard?
dragon.
Alright,
A
so
red
those.
morph bearded dragon.
Alright, so Candy and a lizard and them something. Watch him. I'm going like him run the
He a
place.
gangster, he is. That's the man of the
Watch him.
house.
I'll lick down your buckle. Watch him. Hey, them fast differently, though. Them run fast?
No.
That's how fast this him can move?
He could.
Fast, yeah. Get up and run on him 2 foot.
No.
Alright?
It's not
So in other while, them look like them run on him.
You're thinking about the ones from holes that I sent you. He's not one of them.
Oh.
He's not one of them. Tell him you a different breed, baby. You a different breed, baby. Yes.
Rotted. You might come back.
No. You're not a dog. You're not a dog. You don't answer to stuff like that.
Turn back door. See my come? They have sense, you know. Come here. Come on, look on you. Look, Candy. Come here.
You're fucking weird. Please don't show my purpose.
When you do enough. We both to go to sleep. In your cold your fridge.
Real bad.
No lie.
What you wanna watch?
Yeah, did some vampire stuff. I like watch movies with kings and queens and knights. I wanna recommend some good Netflix movies. Where you watch so far?
I don't know, I watch it all. A lot of mystery and serial killer.
I like watching Alien and documentary about killing. Watch that already yesterday.
Wow, you watched the 10 Body tapes?
No, what that ball?
That is so good. Are you serious? You don't know about 10 Body?
Play it on then.
That's what it is. Ted Bundy. Ted Bundy. He escaped jail twice. He escaped the motherfucker twice.
You like to Santa?
No.
You snore?
Yeah.
You pooping in your sleep and them something?
Yeah.
Can you chill? You pooping in your sleep?
Yeah.
You forgot your accent.
So I went into the prison with my
You're really bad.
Jesus Christ.
What sort of person should have done this?
Oh God.
He was armed with a heavy oak log. He clubbed and then to death. 21-year-old.
Can't snore. I can't sleep like this. I'm gonna go home. Candy. 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 Me I go home. Me I go home. I can't sleep like this. Yeah? When we reach home, I call you, yeah?
Father Depot,
Father,
fully
you catch it at a lie?
outside a lie,
Reach a lie?
bumbo class.
Me couldn't forget the night when me get in on my life. Best pussy when me ever fuck. God damn it, it's so tight.